Dumpster rental service in Navasota, Texas. Every community deserves a clean and welcoming environment, but cleaning up parks, streets, and empty lots can be a big task. That's where Waste Falcon Dumpster Rentals comes in. As your trusted dumpster rental service in Navasota, Texas, we make community cleanups easier and more efficient. With our various dumpster sizes, you can choose the perfect one for your cleanup event, whether a quick park cleanup or clearing out an overgrown lot. Every job is just the right size for Waste Falcon Dumpster Rentals. Our dumpsters are designed for easy loading, helping your team stay organized and focused. By keeping all the waste in one place, everyone can work efficiently without worrying about scattered trash or dealing with numerous bags. It's all about making the cleanup easy, fast, and hassle-free. With Waste Falcon Dumpster Rentals, you can focus on what matters most, making your neighborhood a better place to live, work, and play. Are you planning a community cleanup in Navasota, Texas? Call Waste Falcon Dumpster Rentals today at 877-779-2783. Our dumpster rental service is designed to make your event smooth and successful, helping you take pride in your community and keep it looking its best. Waste Falcon Dumpster Rentals, your partner for cleaner neighborhoods.